Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Abenasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my 3 summer refreshing healthy juices, no added sugar, natural sweeteners. Let's get right into the ingredients. I have red chard. I have kale, cucumbers, also have green apple, some limes, celery. I have ginger and carrot and also lemon. I also have watermelon, honeydew, cantaloupe and pineapple. And I'll be making a green juice, a carrot juice and a melon juice. So I begin by washing my fruit and vegetables thoroughly. I recommend you wash your Swiss chard very well. Sometimes it has some dirt on them, and the same thing goes for the celery. Please wash your fruit and vegetables thoroughly. I will not be peeling my ginger, so I will wash it thoroughly as well. And also the skin of my pineapple will be used for a tea, so I need to wash it very well. And there's my cantaloupe, and I've washed all of my melons as well. I've cut my watermelon in half, and I'll be using the smaller part for my carrot juice and the larger part for my melon juice. So I'll begin to slice my watermelon for the melon juice, and then later on slice the other part for my carrot juice. So what I'm doing here is I'm just removing the fruit off the shell of the watermelon, and then I will cut it up in cubes or in smaller pieces. I've cut all of my watermelon into smaller pieces, and then I'll begin cutting off the rind of my honeydew, and then I'll cut that in small cubes or small pieces. But before I do that, I need to scoop out the seeds that is in the middle, and then I will cut it in smaller pieces as well. I'll make sure to list all the health benefits of these fruits and vegetables in my description. I'll begin cutting the rind of my cantaloupe also, and then I will use a spoon to also scoop out the seeds, and then I will begin cutting it in small pieces or in cubes. My melon fruits are all done, so I will cut my carrots and add it to the other watermelon, and then I cut my pineapples. The skin of the pineapple is going to be used for hibiscus tea in the future, so I will freeze it. So please do not discard the skin of your pineapple. It also has great health benefits. And now I'm beginning to start cutting my green juice ingredients as well. So I've cut my celery, my green apple, my ginger. I'll be juicing my lime in the juicer as well. So I've cut off the skin of the lime, and then I'll cut my cucumber, my kale, and the Swiss chard. And there we have it, guys. It took a while to cut them, but I did it. Alright, so I have for my green juice, my melon juice, and then my carrot and pineapple watermelon juice. Okay, and then I'll be using my Ninja food processor to blend my fruit. I use this blender for smoothie, and it blends everything, especially fruits and vegetables, very well. You can use a normal blender if that is what you have, but I'll make sure to put a link in my description just in case you like to purchase this type of Ninja blender. Okay, so I went ahead and blended all my melons. I will cover and set that on the side, and then I'll begin blending my carrot, watermelon and pineapple juice. Okay, so I'll be blending everything before I strain it. And this will be the last blend for the carrot juice, and then once it is done blending, I'll pour it into my container I'll cover it up and then set that on the side as well. Now let's begin juicing the green juice. Yes, I am not blending the green juice, I am juicing it. This is what I like to enjoy first thing in the morning when I wake up. Yes, so I'm juicing this, and because of the vegetables, I love to juice it. Yes, and this juice is everything. And my pitcher here is very small, so what I like to do is I'm going to be transferring the juice into a container, and then I'll continue juicing. And guys, like I said, Swiss chard and kale and everything that you see in the green juice is super healthy for you. Alright, so I'm all done with my green juice, and guys, I will not let the green juice sit for long. I don't want to lose the nutrients in them. So I'm bottling it up right now, and then I will cover it up and then put it in my refrigerator until I'm done straining all the other juices. And I'm using a glass jar to store my juice. Yes, and we want to make sure that it is airtight, like really tight. So I've put that in the refrigerator, and now I'm ready to strain my juice. I'm using a nut milk bag to strain my juice. This strainer is actually used to strain like cashew milk or almond milk. Yes, so I recommend you use this nut milk bag to strain your juice. You get a delicious juice out of this strainer. You can use a normal strainer, but I prefer this nut milk bag better than a normal strainer. You don't actually taste any pulp in your juice, and that is what makes my kids love it. Yes, and this juice is so sweet and delicious. You don't need to add any sugar or any sweetener. Yes, it is natural sweetness, guys. So I will link this nut milk bag in my description just in case you like to purchase it. I got it from Amazon. Yes, so I'll make sure to put a link in my description for you guys. I enjoy using this bag. I use it for so many things. Look at how easy it is to squeeze the juice out of the bag. If you have a normal strainer, go ahead and use it, but I prefer this nut milk bag. And guys, I'm done straining my juice, so I'll use my lemon squeezer to squeeze my lemon inside the juice, and then I will give it a mix. Look at how beautiful and refreshing that juice look. And without wasting time, I'm gonna bottle it up and put it in the refrigerator. And you want to make sure that you fill it all the way up with no space on top, and then you cover it right away. We don't want to lose any nutrients in this refreshing juice. And I recommend you refrigerate your juice just for about 2 to 3 days. I have a big family, so this amount of juice is perfect for my family. But if you have a smaller size family, I recommend you don't make too much of the juice. It is better enjoy the same day you juice it, but we keep it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days, and within 2 to 3 days the juice is already finished. It is so delicious. And my melon juice is the last juice I'm straining right now. And guys, I highly recommend that you add citrus to any of your juices. I think it preserves the juice very well, and it really makes juices taste delicious, and it is healthy for us. Yes, so I've given it a mix, and then I'm gonna bottle it up and refrigerate it. And guys, this juice is one of my kids' favorite, the melon juice. It is so sweet and delicious. Yes, so I highly recommend you make this for your family. And then I will also put a link in my description for these bottles. I got them from Amazon. We do have some of the melon juice left, so I've put it in a picture and we're gonna enjoy it. And there we have it, my 3 amazing healthy summer refreshing juices. So we have carrot, watermelon, and pineapple juice with lemon. And then I have my green juice and also have my melon juice, guys. And look at how refreshing they look and healthy and delicious, guys. And then there it is in my refrigerator. Okay, but I will be putting my green juice in the freezer and I'll leave the others in the refrigerator and we'll be enjoying it. And guys, it is about lunchtime and I am pouring my portion of the melon juice. This is a delicious and refreshing juice to have in the summer or any day. Thank you guys so much for your support and for watching. If you're a new subscriber, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe, like, and comment. And God bless you. Please stay safe. Bye, guys.